Here's the rephrased text. Using this service involves a few simple steps. To get started, you'll need to meet certain requirements, such as having an active account and a specific type of card. Once you're eligible, you can enroll by accessing your account settings and agreeing to the terms and conditions. With this service activated, you can make purchases or withdrawals that exceed your available balance. To do so, follow these steps. Open your account settings, locate the specific tab, and toggle the relevant option on. You'll see your limits and available amounts. Then proceed with your transaction if the amount exceeds your balance. Your account provider will automatically adjust your next deposit according to your account usage and history. The transaction limit starts at a minimum amount and increases over time based on your account activity and usage.